All right, everybody. Just wanted to make a quick video on an issue I had with my Ford Bronco. It's a '96 Bronco. My overdrive light was blinking off and on. Saw videos on YouTube. It said it could be the wiring underneath there. It's got a short on the right side, underneath by the starter. Checked that. Wasn't that. I did another technique they did with the push button and start it up and then take it off. Either way, my issue was it wasn't the solenoid. My issue was where it plugs into the transmission. That connector was loose. I just pushed it back in. Because the truck wouldn't even start at all. Like the solenoid was bad, but it wasn't it. Pushed that in. Truck started up. No more blinking light. That was my issue. Hope that helps. Later.